We're going to look at doing some lettering using Adobe Ideas on the iPad. Now, most people struggle with getting their lettering to look nice and neat and tidy, purely because they're not using the right size nib. Look at this size now. It just looks completely scratchy and wrong. So zoom in and use the appropriate size nib by changing it, and then it will look nice and neat. You can zoom in, and then you can erase certain letters and change them into something if you're trying to create a visual note that expresses something. So this one in particular is talking about visual note taking. So I'm altering one of the letter I's to look like a pencil. And you'll see I'm quite fussy by zooming in and checking that the size of the drawing is right in comparison to the lettering. So often I'll zoom back to check how it looks. I'll change the size of the nib so that the outline looks correct, and then I'll check against the rest of the lettering. And then again, if you're trying to add some subtext, make sure it looks right, make sure the pen nib size is thick enough, and then you can see how it fits and looks together. And that's the start of the first of the visual note demos.